Hello YouTube, this is Brent138. I've probably created a new account. My last account sucked ass. Okay, I'm gonna do a guide here of Melee for F2P. I'm not gonna do another one because I suck balls at numbers. Okay, first off, cows, goblins, mans, which you can find almost every place, on Bridge, Varrock. Cows would be good for level, yeah, chickens too, and cows would be good for level 3s, through 5s, or 10s, that's for sure, yeah. Okay, I'm back, and, well, level 10s, if you really want to, probably with some food. These Alcarag warriors, through level 20, these things give up good XP. You can easily train good XP on this crap. Anyways, you can see a whole bunch of noobs over here training. Yeah, I'm so bored right now, but yeah, I'll pause the video once when I get to the next spot. Okay. Alright, YouTube, I'm back, and monitors would be good to train to level 20 to level 40. Yeah, these things are pretty good for XP. They're only level 12, but yeah, they're good for XP. And, well, yeah, if you want to see my stats, if you're curious about that, here they are, right here. Yeah, woodcutting, my fave. Alright, attack 71, strength 78, defense 71, range 64, prayer 22 out of 52, magic 60, crafting 30, hit points 74, 75, agility 36, herbor 30, thieving 30, crafting 51, fletching 63, slayer 29, mining 54, smithing 43, fishing 62, 60 cooking, 62 fire making, and 83 woodcutting, my favorite skill I've probably ever done. And farming, got 6 summoning, I'm level 91, 92 members. And yeah. Alright, our next spot would be in Falador, the White Knight Castles. We'll probably need salmon for it. And I'll pause recording and I'll return to you when I get there. Alright, for level 40 through 50, let's say these White Knights. You might want to bring some food. I brought some swordfish because that's just whatever I had in my bank. I would prefer salmon or trout. I just had this in my bank. In my bank. Let's see that. Got some swordfish, 1.2 mil. Yeah, train these to level 50. That'd be great. And our next spot would be okay, our next spot will be yeah. Next spot will be down by Varrock. We will be going to these. We will start down from about here. We go over. Yeah, right there will be where we're going, or right over there. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in if you can see that. there are red spiders. I mean, yeah, biome. Alright, I'm gonna pause recording. Okay, actually, the destination is in Stronghold Security. We're gonna be training on these spiders right here. Yeah, like 50. They're like level 50 with only like 1 defense. If you're level 50 or lower or higher, well, if you're higher, it doesn't really matter, but I mean if you're lower, you are probably gonna want some lobster or some swordfish. What I have with me is swordfish, because that's what I had in my bank. Once again, I'll show you my inventory. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now was pretty good. That's where I train. I've gotten those from level. See that 78 stir? I've trained there from like 60, like 65 defense to like 71 defense, and then 65 attack to 71 attack. And in strength, I train it from like 65 to 78 from there. It's my main place I train. Okay, sometimes I go to this place. Our next destination will be these lesser demons. Go up here. Okay, we will be starting off from right up here. There's the point. Go all the way down here. If you have done Dragon Slayer, you could go over here, which is probably the best plot. And otherwise, if you haven't, do that. Or if you're training Rage or Mage, I would say over here. Alright, see you when I get there. Alright, I'm back. We are by these lesser demons. I'll show you the level map where I am. Once again, okay. We are, well, I would prefer fishing something tuna or better right here. No, I mean right here. Lobster. I normally fish lobster or swordies. A little bit rare for me to fish swordies. Go down here. Here if you're training Ranger Mage. You can only go up here if you did Dragon Slayer. Okay, I'm gonna go. I brought some swordfish with me. Once again, I will show you my inventory. Yeah, right there. Okay. Or if your HP is running low and you barely have any food, go with these level 34 things. I'm gonna go in this one. Probably just kill one, just to show you. Okay. Yeah, they're level 82. Yeah, I'm level 91. Compared to them, I'd probably rape them. But yeah, I would say train this from like level 60 or up. Lobster or better if you're level 60, 70 tuna or better. It doesn't really matter, your choice. If you don't really want to die, then yeah. Okay, that's pretty much it. For non-members, yeah. I might do members, but that'd probably be a long-ass video. Alright, see ya.